Good morning, students. Now we are going to see how you have to switch on the supply and what are the three things you have to do to switch on the robotics set. Okay. So first we have three MCCBs. So this is the main MCCB. So which gives three-phase power supply to the robotics set. Okay. So first you have to switch on the main power supply, and this is the MCCB for YASKAWA controller. So this is finally this is the MCCB for FS100 controller. So depending on what robot you are going to use, you have to switch on the corresponding MCCBs. So after that, this is the compressor which supplies pneumatic air to the grippers. Okay, so we are using two grippers in each robot. So this is the compressor. So we are going to switch on the compressor. Okay. So when we switch on the compressor starts functioning. Okay, and then you will get pneumatic supply to the grippers. Then you have a valve here, so you have to turn the valve so that air goes into the FR unit. So this is the FR unit. So FR unit is used to filter, lubricate and regulate the air supply which is coming into the robotics. So we are turning left side. So you can see here supply and an exhaust. So when you turn it left side, you are supplying the air into the robotic side. So after the process, you have to turn it right side so that the air is released. Okay. And after that, here you have a PLC panel. We are going to switch on this PLC panel. So it consists of PLCs, drive units, so that you can control the robotic cell from remote.